Landlubbers, welcome to the Compost Show. Oh, we've got some very scurvy creatures for you to meet today, and a lot of work's got to be done by all. I can promise you that. Because we're going to build a compost. So, roll up your sleeves, clear your nostrils, and let the compost show begin.
Super carbon running all the way. King Carbon has the power of creatures move.
Oh, hang on. Well, I'm trying to put on a compost show. Who are you?
Well, if you'd let me finish my song, I'm super carbon, king of the compost heap. The creatures need the power to make the compost heap.
All right. I tell you what. You could be part of my show. If you be part of my show, I will make you king of the compost heap.
Oh, Captain, king of the compost heap.
King of the compost heap.
I guess we can work together.
Oh, right. Now, Carbon gives all
King Carbon.
Oh, sorry about that. Sorry, King.
King of the compost heap.
King Carbon, he gives all the creatures the energy they need to work the heap.
That's right. We need energy to walk.
All right, to walk. That's right.
We need energy to run.
All right, yeah.
We need energy to fly.
Oh, no, don't think I'll be doing any of that there flying. No, I can't do that, no. Look, I tell you what. So, well, let's just put it together. We can do this. So, roll up your sleeves, clear your nostrils, and let the compost show begin again.
Work till you're muscle bound.
Huh?
Oi! Work till you're muscle bound. Oi! Work! Clean and jerk. Work! Clean and jerk. Work till you're muscle bound. Oi! Work till you're muscle bound. Oi!
Hello. Oh, you must be Nelly Nitrogen.
I certainly am.
Oh, it is Nelly Nitrogen.
Well, what's she doing here?
I am the bodybuilder.
She's the bodybuilder. You see, she gives all the creatures she builds all their bodies in the compost.
I keep them nice and strong.
Nice and strong.
Let's get cooking!
Stop!
Why?
Course stuff first.
Oh.
It says so here in the cookbook.
Well, that'll definitely be you first. You're as coarse as a bit of sandpaper.
Yes, we need carbon first because we need something to let the air through at the bottom. So, how about these dried leaves? Carbon first.
Then we need some water to keep it nice and moist.
Oh, how much water?
About as much as a damp sponge. All right, my turn now.
Yes, nitrogen.
But just a little bit.
Yes, because you're so dense. Rich. Little bit, yes, good.
Right, now where is my cooking book? What a smorgasbord! Oh, you've started already?
Yes, we have.
All right. Well, all we have to do now is cover it.
Captain, can we just put a bit more water on?
All right, put your water
All
on.
right, there we go, Nelly.
Right, now we'll cover it. You see, you've got to cover it because, composting's a bit like farming. You've got to keep all those creatures nice and warm, you do. You've got to feed them, you've got to give them water, you've got to give them air as well with lots of carbon at the bottom, and you've got to put like a blanket on to keep them
What do you read them
warm.
a story at night?
these are the sorts of things, the sorts of ingredients you don't want to put in your compost. Don't put any dairy products like milk and all that sort of thing, because if you do, oh, some scurvy creatures will come along there. Oh, don't put any meat, you know, like dead animals. Don't put them on. Don't put them in your compost, because if you do, the rats will come. Ronaldo and Ronaldo the rat. Have they come yet? Ah! Right, you snuck up there. You saw it, didn't you, you little Ronaldo and Ronaldo the rat? Oh, well done, landlubbers. Thanks for being part of the compost show. Oh, but I forgot to show you some brown gold. Very good for your garden. Just like this. Wow. You can grow veggies in compost.
That's incredible.
Very good, isn't it? And you can eat that there lettuce. You know, after you put your food scraps there, you get rid of your food scraps and you grow your own vegetables as well.
Yum.
Isn't that good? And if you build a compost and make beautiful compost, this brown gold, all the creatures from the forest will come to visit it. Captain Compost had a farm. E-I